students, how are you? I am Professor Ashish, and today I'm going to talk about my Hindi classes. And over the years I have developed a lot of methods, methodology, books, materials, songs, and all the things. I have collaborated with my colleagues and with my friends to teach you Hindi in the best and most effective manner possible. In this video I will talk about my courses in Hindi languages, and I have prepared 3 types of courses, and the first one is for absolute beginners and starters and beginners, and the second course is for intermediate level students, and the last one is for advanced level students. So let's start with the absolute beginner and beginner course. So in this course we learn the basics like how to greet, how to use the basic phrases in Hindi. We also learn the Hindi writing, which is the alphabets Devanagari Lipi, and in this course we start with a lot of confidence, because to start learning a new language, and especially Hindi, brings a lot of fear and a lot of confusion. But rest assured, I have 10 years of experience doing this, and I have hundreds of Hindi students. So this course is one of the most famous courses which I have been doing, and is very popular, and students feel very confident because we go step by step. And in this course you will have to put a lot of effort because we will begin, but it is very nice course. We learn with stories, and you will feel very nice, very happy, very peaceful journey we will have in this course. So I invite you to join my classes to start learning Hindi with me. Now I'm going to talk about the intermediate level course, which is after the absolute beginner and beginner course, or you have already have a beginner level, so you already know that how to write Hindi. You can make simple sentences in simple present or present continuous. You can talk a little about you, so you are suitable for intermediate level course. And in this course we learn by reading very small sentences, small stories. We try to converse about daily life situations, and in the market, in the shopping mall, or if you go to a movie, how you should respond, important vocabs, all these things we do in this course. We see very simple songs from Bollywood, from Hindi movies, but the simple ones, right? Because listening skill is very important, is an important aspect of this course. So this course is intended for intermediate level students who at least can converse, I will not say proficient, but up to an intermediate level. And this course is also very popular, and I invite you to do classes with me for this course. And the last course which I am going to talk about is advanced level course, and the requirement for this course is that you can express yourself, you can talk with any Indian in Hindi, and you can express yourself in the past, in the future also, without much hesitation. But you do errors, and you are not quite confident that you are right or wrong, but still you can converse yourself, you can convey what you are trying to say. So you are suitable for advanced level course. And after finishing this course you will be absolutely confident, you will have an absolute confidence in your speaking in Hindi, and you can read Hindi books up to a certain extent, because Hindi novels or some Hindi text will be difficult for you, but this is the aim of this course, so that you can learn the advanced grammar, advanced vocabs, you can speak flawlessly, and accent reduction is very important part of this course. And not only this course, for all the course, but we focus really hard to reduce the American accent or British accent, like it's a big problem. among all the foreigners who, when they learn Hindi, they find it difficult to reduce their accent. So this course is also very popular. Why? Because some students have been learning Hindi for years, but they don't get that confidence that which can help them to advance, or they feel like, yes, Ashish, I can talk, but I don't have that level of proficiency. I can talk in any tense, whether it's present, past, or future, but I got confused how I can make a present perfect sentence or future perfect sentence in Hindi. I get it confused. So this course is for you. So thank you so much. It was a brief idea about my courses, and all the courses are backed by materials. In all the courses, I will send you book before the class, and after the class we will do a feedback, and I'm available all the time after the class also, right? We will do a continuous evaluation during the course period. So thank you so much, and have a nice day. I really invite you to start classes with me, and thank you so much once again. See you soon.